Dear student, once again you are welcome to my channel Math Success Point, and I am uploading every day the videos related with the important questions, topics, concepts, definitions of class 10 and as well as 12, because both the classes are very important and now the examination is very near, and I do hope that you will be benefited from my videos as I am taking the questions which are very important. Not only I am solving the questions here, the solution of these questions will help you a lot in finding the solution of other questions. And I request to all of you like my videos and share my videos and subscribe my channel so that I shall be motivated by you, and I am just going to motivate you to do better in mathematics. If you want to get the quality of education, you must know the formula, basic concept and definitions. In mathematics, without the definition, without the formula, it is very difficult to find out the solution of the question. That is why first of all you prepare your weapons, then only you will find in the battlefield. If you are not having the weapons, it is very difficult to fight with the enemies in the battlefield. What are our weapons in mathematics? Formula and definitions, these are our weapons. And if you have these weapons, automatically you can find out the solution of the question. Let me discuss the questions with you. Very important collection which frequently you will see in your sample papers, these questions. And these are, I told you that not only the one question, so many questions, because I told you already, simple question you practice first. Go to difficult. Difficult, that is the combination of the simple questions. Simple you solve already. Apply that method, you can find out the solution of that difficult method. Okay, let me take the question on depend upon it. The arithmetic progression, very simple question I am going to take. If I have collected the very important question, if try to understand the language of it, if the third and see carefully, third and the ninth term of an AP are, AP means arithmetic progression, 4 and -8. Very important. If the third and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and -8. Okay, respectively. Which term? See over here, which term of AP, which term of this AP, is very important. Frequently asking in the different types of examination this question, and it is the combination of different simple questions you see. I am discussing the questions related with the nth term of the arithmetic progression. Same formula you will use. Okay, let me take, here it is given third term. Third term is, it is to be denoted by A3. Third term is 4. And see another, ninth term is A9 is equal to -8. That is a given thing. And here it is given which term of the AP is 0. That you will find out. Very important question. Okay, using, let me take, what question you will use? Nth term of it, A plus n minus 1 into D. In place of n, that is 3. Okay, A3 is equal to what? 4. In place of A3, in place of n, you write 3. Its value will be A plus, in place of n, you write 3 minus 1 and D. It will be equal to 4. You see, I have applied the value of A3. A3 means 3, you will write here A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Then you get 2D. It will be A plus 2D. It will be equal to 4. Equation number 1. As I told you in my previous videos, we will prepare the two equations in the form of A and D as you solve in the linear pair of equations in two variables x and y. Similar kind of thing, similar methods will apply to solve it. Okay, similarly you take A9 will be equal to minus 8. A9 means in place of n you write 9, means A plus n means 9 minus 1 into D will be equal to minus 8. Okay, A plus 8D, it will be equal to minus 8. This is equation number 2. Okay, by using 1 and 2, you will have to find out the value of A and B. By using 1 and 2, then what you will do from 1 and 2? Same thing, this method you know already, I discussed with you. A plus 2D, A plus 2D is equal to 4. This is 1, and A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. Okay, you solve by elimination method. We are going to eliminate A and subtract 2 from 1. Subtract 2 from 1, change the sign. It will cancel, and minus 8 plus 2AD minus 6D. It will be equal to, you see, positive. This is positive, this is also positive 12. And D will be equal to minus 12 by 6. It will be minus 2. D you got minus 2, very simple. And you apply D is equal to minus 2 in equation number 1 from 1. Using in 1. Equation number 1. Okay. What is equation number 1? A plus 2D is equal to 4. That is 4. You write it is 4. D is equal to minus 2. A plus 2 is equal to 4. And A will be equal to 4 plus 4. Because 2 into 2, that is 4. It is negative, it will become positive. That is A. And A is equal to 8. D is equal to minus 2. A is equal to 8. But we got the value of A and D. But the question has not been completed. Because it is asked that which term of A is 0. Let me take nth term B 0. Okay? You will use it. That I am going to assume, my dear student, to see important part of this question. Let nth term of AP is 0. Nth term is AN will be equal to 0. AN will be 0. What does it mean? In place of AN, I just before told you A plus n minus 1, D is equal to 0. This is the formula of n. Apply the value of A is 8 plus n minus 1. Apply the value of D, that is minus 2. Minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, take 8 from left side to right side, minus 2, n minus 1, it will be equal to minus 8. And n minus 1, it will be equal to minus 8 divided by minus 2. By minus 2 you are going to divide it. It will be how much? 4. N will be equal to 4 plus 1, that will be fifth term. Fifth term will be 0. Fifth term is 0, my dear student. N is equal to 5, means fifth term is 0. Very important question, very simple question. It is given. First of all, by using the first condition, we got the value of A and D. Which term is of A? This AP is 0. Fifth term is 0. Very simple question. Let me take the other question, which is also important question for you, for your forthcoming examination, because I collected the important questions which may be important for you and frequently asked for 1 mark, 2 mark, or 3 marks, whatever it may be, because value-based question also asked in your paper, but I am not having that much time to give you the question related with value-based question. You can generate the value-based question from these questions, lengthy questions. We can generate the questions. Such questions generally asked on depend upon value based question. That is why you see which term, another question, which term of an AP, what is the AP? You see 3, 8, 13, 18 and dot is 78. Very important but very simple question. My dear student, you see A is equal to how much? 3 and D will be second term 8 minus 3 will be 5. But here it is asked which term of this one is 78. इस AP में कौन सी टर्म 78 है वो निकालना है. Question has been twisted in different ways. Let मैं assume कर लेता हूँ, जिसको हम नहीं जानते उसको assume कर लेते हैं. That is the rule in mathematics. जिसको हम नहीं जानते उसको assume कर लीजिए. Let us take let nth term of AP is 70. Nth term is 78. What is nth term? An is equal to 78. Very simple. Okay. In place of an, what you will write? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78. Okay. A is how much? 3 plus n minus 1. D is how much? 5 is equal to 78. Okay. N minus 1. No need to multiply by 5 inside the bracket because you will take it directly negative minus 3. It is minus 3. Later on we will divide minus 3. It will be 75. Okay, n minus 1 is equal to 75 upon 5. It will be equal to how much? 75 to divide by 5. That will be 15 plus 1. And 1 to you take from left side to right side. It will be 16. Done. My dear student, 16th term of this AP is 78. आप लिख करके भी काउंट कर सकते हैं. जनरली लिखते जाइए. डिफरेंस कितना है? 5 के गैप से लिखते जाइए. जब भी 16 टर्म आएगी दैट विल बी 78. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ओके. दैट इज व्हाई यू सी केयरफुली. लेट मी टेक अनदर क्वेश्चन व्हिच इज आल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू एंड generally many times this question asked in the examination and frequently asked in future also, that such question may be asked in the examination and frequently you will see in the sample paper this question is given. Try to understand. I will tell you in the easiest way this question, the solution of this question. Let me take most important question. I am just going to tell you which term of AP, what AP? 3, 15, 27, 29. This is AP. Which term of this AP will be 132 more? 132 more than is 54th term. 54th term. Very important question. Very important question. I think you see what is the difference between each and every term. There is the difference that is 12. Okay. But first of all, you see this one. Let me start the solution. My dear student, A is first term is 3 and common difference will be equal to how much? 15 minus 3. It will be equal to 12. Very simple question. But by the given condition, देखिए यहाँ पर given condition, which term of this AP will be? वो कौन सी टर्म है जो 54th टर्म से कितने ज्यादा है? 130. Try to understand the language of the question. फिर से देख लीजिए. Which term of this AP will be 132 more? वो कौन सी टर्म है जो 132 मोर है किससे? 54th टर्म से। इसको लिखने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं। सो मेनी मेथड्स आर देयर टू राइट दिस लाइन। व्हाई द क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाई आर यू गोइंग? व्हाई द क्वेश्चन? वेरी सिंपल solution I am going to tell you. Either you write, because you see which term, let nth term is 132 more than 54th term. This is the case. We have assumed that nth term is 132 more than its 54th terms. What does it mean? Nth term is greater than 54th term. That means either you write in this way, nth term is more and minus a54 will be equal to 132. Their difference will be equal to, one is greater term, another is smaller. Their difference will be equal to how much? 132. या तो आप ऐसे लिखिए, क्योंकि ये nth टर्म कितनी बड़ी है? 132. ओके, किससे? 54th टर्म से. दैट इज द इजीएस्ट वे टू राइट. ओके, या फिर आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. देखो, मैं दोनों टर्म लिख लेता हूं, an एंड a54. 54th टर्म a54. Two terms are there. This term is more than this term. ये टर्म कितनी ज्यादा है? 132. किससे? इससे. ये ज्यादा है, ये कम है. अब ये तो इसमें 132 आप ऐड कर दीजिए, दोनों इक्वल हो जाएंगे, या फिर 132 को यहां से रिमूव करके इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए, तब इक्वल हो जाएंगे. क्योंकि ये ज्यादा है, कितनी? 132. अरे ये तो सेम ही तो आ गई. सेम आ गई ना? सेम क्या आ गई? an माइनस, इसको इधर में ले लीजिए लेफ्ट साइड में. सेम थिंग यू आर गेटिंग 54 is equal to 132. Same thing you are getting. Their difference will be 132. I think you got it, that point. Now let me find out its solution. What will be its solution? Okay, n a plus n minus 1 d. You write its value. Its value will be a plus 54 minus 1 into d is equal to 132. Very simple question. You see, I have substituted the value of n term. This is this one. A54 in place of n you will write 54. Okay? And this thing you must have to keep in mind. Okay? Let me substitute the values of a and d here. A is 3. Let me write 3 plus n minus 1. D is how much? 12 into 12 minus, you see, 3 plus 54 minus 1, 53 into 12 will be equal to 132. You got it? You got this line? Let me find its solution. This is positive symbol, not a multiplication. This is positive symbol. You must have to write. Okay, let me take it from left side to right side. Okay, it will be, I am just going to remove it from here so that we may get easily the solution of this question. My dear student, let me take, you see, I am just going to multiply by negative sign inside the bracket. 3 plus n 12 n minus 1 and negative 3. Okay, minus, and you multiply this one. You multiply 53 and 12. 53 and 12. 12 3 are 36. And 12 5 are 60. And 3 63. 63. 636. 636. It will be equal to 132. Okay? 3 will be cancelled by 3. 12 and minus 1. It will be 132 plus 636. And you get its sum. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 3, 6. And it will be 6 plus 1, 7. 700 68 divided by 12 and minus 1. 12 is this one. That is why I divided this one. 768 and 768 you divide it. How many times you can divide? 6 times. 72. 72 and 48 divided by 12. 4 plus 1 n. N will be equal to 75th. 75th term. 75th term is 132 more than 54th term. 54th term. You see, my student, this is a simple question but important. Don't feel that it is a very difficult. Systematically I solve this question. Line by line. I think you got this solution, the solution of this question, and I am going to take one more question. Not only one question, different questions are there in this question also. So many questions are there. You will feel that it is one question, but it is not one question. So many questions are there. Different questions are involved in one question. Let me take, which is a very, very important question. Language you must try to understand first. Okay? I am going to take the question, the sum. You see, dear student, very, very important question I am just going to start. Sum of the fourth and eighth term. Fourth and eighth terms. The sum of both these terms will be of AP. AP is 24. See carefully, try to understand this side. Is 24 and the sum of the sixth. Sum of the sixth and 10th term of 10th term is, you see, 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. Find the first three terms of AP. Very important. You see how many questions are in one question. Even though it is simple. Sum of fourth and eighth term, that is one question. Sum of sixth and 10th term, that is another question. Find three terms, that is third question. There are three questions involved in this question. In one question. You see, let me take the solution. In a simplest way, I can take the solution. Sum of fourth and eighth term. Fourth term, let the fourth term be. Let the fourth term, fourth term be fourth term P A4 and next eighth term B A8. By the question. What is given in the question? Their sum means A4 plus A8 is equal to how much? 24. And already I told you, you will have to using A n will be equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into this formula you will use. And make equation 1, first equation. What will be that? A plus 4 minus 1 D plus. That is the value of the fourth term. A plus 8 minus 1 D it will be equal to 24. This formula I have used in place of A4. N is 4. Here N is 8. It will be, that is A plus 3D, A plus 7D, it will be 24. A plus A, 2A plus 3 plus 7, 10d is equal to 24. 2 take 2 common. A plus 5d will be 24 and a plus 5d it will be 24 divided by 2, that is 12. First equation you got, it will be 12. Equation number 1. Very important condition we got. You see, a plus 5d is equal to 12. Similarly, you may form the equation of 6th and 8th, 10th terms. Similarly, let me take the similar condition. That is why it is simple question. It is not difficult because I have told you the conditions, and at the term you can find out by using this formula. What is that? 6th term, a6 plus a10 will be equal to how much? 44. As I told you, similar kind of formula you are going to use. Okay, then what it will be? A plus 6 minus 1 d plus, in place of a10, a plus 10 minus 1 d is equal to 44. A plus 5d, because 6 minus 1. A plus 9d is equal to 44. Okay, a plus a, 2a, that will be 2a, plus 9 plus 5, 14d is equal to 44. 2 you take out of it common, a plus 7d is equal to 44. And what you got? A plus 7d is equal to 44 by 2 is equal to 22. Equation number 2. Very simple. Equation number 2. Okay? And from 1 and 2 you will have to solve. Both the equations let me take. Let me find out the solution of both the questions, both the equations from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. One is a plus 5d is equal to how much? 12. This is one. And second, a plus 7d is equal to 22. Subtract second equation from one, from first. How much it will be? Change the sign. Negative, negative, negative. Cancel. This is negative and this is positive. Minus 2d. You got. And this is negative, minus 22 plus 12 minus 10. D will be equal to minus 10 upon minus 2, it will be 5. D is equal to 5. And using first equation to get the value of A, substitute in 1. 1 is this one, A plus 5D is equal to 12. Substitute the value of D. A will be equal to 12 minus 5D. It will be 12 minus 5. In place of D you write 5. 12 minus 25, that is minus 13. Means A is equal to 13. We got the value of D and A. D is equal to 5. A is first 3 terms of AP. First 3 terms of AP. What will be the first 3 terms of AP? See, first term that is A. A means minus 30. This is the first term. Second term, my dear student, you know, second term will be A2, that is A1. A plus D. A is minus 13, D is how much? 5. D is 5. You write 5. And minus 13 and 5, that is minus 8. And third term will be what? Third term. What is the third term? A3 will be equal to A plus 2B. Minus 13 plus 2 into 5. Minus 13 plus 10, that is minus 3. What is the third term? Minus 3. First 3 terms we got by using this condition of AP. You must write first 3 terms of AP. That is why, dear student, question is very simple. First 3 terms of AP are, what are the, क्या क्या हो गई? First term minus 13, second term minus 8 और third term minus 3. These are the 3 terms of an AP. Like that, actually this question is the combination of 3 questions, not of the 1 question. That is why I discussed the very important questions. By taking the solution of these questions, you must solve the different questions and become perfect in this chapter. I discussed a number of questions in my previous videos. I do hope that you will be benefited, and I request you must have to like my videos, share my videos as much as you can, and subscribe my channel without forgetting, so that I shall be motivated and I can provide you the more and more questions which will be beneficial for your future. Thank you to all of you.